So in every situation, we start with an in-home consultation, which is a free service, and it usually takes about an hour. And we're just getting the information from them about their plan, like what their listing date is or what their move date is, and then also just getting a tour of the home overall, asking lots of questions about what they're hoping to keep, if they're wanting to sell anything, if things are going to family and friends, and I'm taking thorough notes throughout. And then from that point, we book in some work time. At Copland, for example, they were moving into a smaller home, and they knew what they wanted to take with them. And so we were pre-packing and we were prepping the home for sale. I think you guys even got somebody to come in and paint as well. But we really decluttered the home, kind of depersonalized it, but still made it look homey. And so it really, I think like the sale happened pretty quickly.
Yeah, it did. We had multiple offers, went quite a bit over list, and the clients were really happy as well.